So today I'm going to show you how to use the tap to cash feature on your Apple Wallet. Now we're going to go ahead and show you in real time here for you step by step, and there are actually two ways to do this. And before we show you both options, one thing we want to make sure we have clear is that you have the latest iOS update to be able to have access to this function. So first thing we want to do here in our Apple Wallet is actually go ahead and find our cash account right over here. You can see it has the little Apple icon with cash, and we currently have $1.62 in here. Now in this section here for us, we just need to hit the send or request feature right over here. And that's going to take us to this new section over here where you can go ahead and plug in people's information, but we want to use the new feature, which is a little hidden with our keyboard. So I'm going to scroll down. And you can see now it says tap to cash, which we're going to go ahead and click on. And from here, we're going to go ahead and choose the amount that we want to go ahead and send, add the little note here for us if we want, and then we can click on the next button at the top right. And then from over here, it is going to ask you to just confirm everything looks good. We're pulling from our Apple Cash, and then the amount that we want to utilize, we're going to double click on the right-hand side to confirm. Now that takes us right over to this section right over here where you can see it's ready to send. It shows you who you're sending it as, which is myself. And all you got to do is hold this near another iPhone or an Apple Watch. Now once you do that, you're going to have that cool vibration, and then all of a sudden your dollar or whatever amount is going to go over to the next person. Now like I mentioned earlier, there's also a second way to do that, and I'm going to show you quickly how to get to that. Now we went all the way back to the home page of my iPhone, and I just found my Apple Wallet icon right over here. You can see this is my Apple Wallet, and when you hold down on it for just a few moments, it actually gives you the option to tap to cash, which is just a little bit faster than going through the initial way I showed you. But I wanted to show that there are two options for you to be able to do that. Clicking on there will just kind of jump you ahead just a little bit more in this process to be able to go ahead and tap to cash. Now if you want to learn how to add money to your Apple Cash account, I'm going to have my video right over here to show you exactly how to do just that.